Hello friends, I'm Joanna from Joanna Miranda Studio, and this is my video series, Art Bag, Time-Saving Tips and Tricks. I think this has been a challenging year pretty much for everybody. When we went into lockdown back in March and started wearing masks all the time shortly thereafter, I never thought that we would still be in this position at this point. And it is hard not to feel despondent when you are confronted with lots of bad news and worry every day. But now we're in November, so in the spirit of Thanksgiving and gratitude, I thought I would take some time today in this video to sketch out some of the things that I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for our little fur baby, Ziggy, who amuses me and helps keep me grounded every day. And I'm grateful for being able to talk to my mom via video phone every day. I'm also grateful for my health. And above all, I'm grateful to my family and friends who keep cheering me along my illustration journey every day. That's a wrap on today's Art Bag Time-Saving Tips and Tricks video. I post these videos every Monday and Friday. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you might want to do that. And if you do, don't forget to toggle on the little bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.